Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang parating sa inyo in the next 24 hours. From the time na mapanood mo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. This is also a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyong magbabook. Okay? So, let's see, Aries, next 24 hours from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. What's coming to Aries next 24 hours? Okay. Uy, Ace of Cups. Maaring merong makikipag-ayos, may peace offering. Kung meron kang makakagalit or nakagalit in the past, maaring within 24 hours magre-reach out yan. Makikipag-ayos. Some of you naman, this can be a potential partner. Pwedeng merong may crush sa inyo, mapapansin nyo itong person na to. Six of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, Aries, marami kayong admirers. Na very much interested sa'yo. Lalo na kung ikaw ay madalas nilang makita sa social media, naka-follow yan sa'yo, or friend mo, oo, sa Facebook, or kung saang social media platform. And I also see success. Pwedeng meron kang marireceive na na award within 24 hours. Or kung hindi man siya award, yung parang goal mo, tapos na-achieve mo siya. Oo, some of you related rin sa bahay. Pwedeng meron kayong nabiling bahay, mabibiling bahay in the next 24 hours. Or andyan na talaga yung proseso, no, ng pag-aayos ng, let's say, may loan, home loan, housing loan, ganyan. Yung iba naman, maaring may mga gamit kayo na mabibili sa bahay in the next 24 hours. You have the Hierophant. Some of you, maaring mag-aaral, meron kayong mga mentorship, yan, merong magbibigay sa inyo na mag-share sa inyo ng knowledge, skills ninyo. So, tinan pa natin sa inyo namang money, career, finances. Oops, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng mag-aasawa in the next 24 hours. Oo, ito yung mga nakaplano na, no? Hindi naman to yung biglaan. But you know, malay mo, no? Kasi may Hierophant, may Four of Wands, tapos may Ace of Cups. So, it's like a new beginning in your romantic life. Ganda, diba? Pwede namang may engagement dito if you are already connecting with someone. Yung iba naman sa inyo, leadership role. Oo. Pwedeng kayo ay mapopromote na maging trainer, coach. In the next 24 hours, diba? May advancement. So, career growth ay pwede mong ma-expect in the next 24 hours. Maaring may offer sa'yo na bagong posisyon sa trabaho, mas malaking sweldo, o yung iba sa inyo, travel opportunities sa trabaho. Some of you are also going to give some time para mag-enjoy kasama ang inyong mga katrabaho. Your career is in the process of upgrade. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong hahawakang team, isang grupo na kayo ang magmamanage sa kanila. Maaari kayong magiging team leader, OIC, supervisor, manager. Kung kayo naman ay may business, maaring mas lalago ang inyong ang tawag doon, yung organization nyo, no? Dadami yung staff nyo, ganyan. So, kayo ay mag-i-increase ng workforce. O, diba? The Emperor. You are the leader. You also have the moon. Some of you are parang magiging emotional during this time dahil you feel like pinangarap mo lang to tapos nangyayari na, 'di ba? You also have the Fool. Some of you, this is a new beginning, a new opportunities. Yung iba sa inyo nag-take ng risk. Kahit na kayo ay medyo nag-aalinlangan, ito yung tipong naisip nyo, na-realize nyo na, teka, bakit ako mag-aalinlangan? Wala namang mawawala sa akin. Oh. So ngayon, you are experiencing new work, new career. Grabe. This is financial stability, financial abundance coming to you in the next 24 hours. Maaring meron din kayong mabibili para sa sarili ninyo na alam nyong parang dinideserve ninyo, no? So you are also going to reward yourself. So sa love life naman, tingnan natin love life ng Aries in the next 24 hours. Clarity. Ex. O yung iba magkakaroon ng clarity sa kanilang ex. Or pwede rin namang kaibigan na nagkaroon ng issue before. But I see this as a positive thing, you know, kasi at least naka-move on ka na from your past. And yung iba sa inyo, nade-develop pa yung friendship ninyo sa ex ninyo. I know hindi lahat open sa pagiging friends with your ex, but depende kasi yan eh. Time heals all wounds. Ika nga, 'di ba? And darating kayo sa point na magmamature kayo pareho, lalo na kung meron kayong mga anak, no? Or may mga pagkakataon na hindi nyo maiiwasan yung isa't isa. Let's say pareho kayo ng workplace or close, very close yung family nyo. So, pwedeng ganon, no? Yung iba sa inyo na you are finally moving on, moving forward. And I think you realize na you are better off as friends. Although, yung iba sa inyo, nanghihinayang, pwedeng may mga tao sa paligid nyo nanghihinayang sa relationship ninyo. But, you know, for you, you want to build a relationship na parang you are saving the relationship. Kasi, di ba, lalo na kung nag-start kayo as friends, and then you become lovers, so, syempre, sayang yung friendship. Kung mag-e-end na yon as magiging hostile na kayo sa isa't isa at wala na kayong pakialamanan. But for some of you, no, may maturity. Oo. 'Di ba? Six of Cups, soulmate energy. You know, yung soulmate kasi hindi lang yan romantic, no. Pwede rin yan sa friends. Siguro yung iba, lalo na kung nag-start kayo as mga bata pa kayo nung nag-connect kayo, as romantic connection. Minsan mistake natin yung friendship, yung closeness to love, no? Pero and then eventually pag nagsama na kayo, nakilala niyo ng isa't isa, you will realize na pang friend lang pala talaga. Oo. Kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo, merong mga nakilala na new relationship, new connections, new people in your lives na na-realize nyo na, ito pala talaga yung feeling ng, taong nai-in love. Kasi pwedeng super close lang kayo, tapos, pwedeng yung isa lang yung na-develop, yung isa ayaw talaga, or parang tingin niya lang is friends, ganon. You have the High Priestess. So, yung iba sa inyo, very much, highly intuitive, no? Malakas, sensitive kayo sa paligid ninyo. Malakas ang inyong pakiramdam. Yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong inaayos na trabaho or, alam mo yun, parang project, pero hindi nyo pinagsasabi. Pwedeng, secret muna. Kasi, syempre, ayaw nyo na, ma-jinx or ma-evil eye. Alam nyo naman, marami tayo dyang mga spectators. Gaia's gateway, access Earth's inner wisdom. So ngayon, mas mature ka na, mas maayos ka nang mag-isip, mag-decide para sa sarili mo, o 'di ba? You are accepting who you really are. And also, nile-let go mo na yung self-limiting beliefs mo. Yung mga bagay na iniisip mo na hindi mo kaya, nile-let go mo na yan kasi mas ino-open mo yung sarili mo sa mga possibilities. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!